Okay, I'm going to show you how I cleaned the windows just using my old poles, an old Richard brush that I got, I think, about 10 years ago with the 4 pencil jets. The pole's also a fiberglass pole, and it's pretty well, you can buy it anywhere. Most of the people seem to like the up and down motion, but as you can see, scrubbing this way, the dirt is actually rinsed away as you scrub, so it's no need to actually rinse because it rinses as it scrubs. As you can see. And do the sill and just turn the water off. So here we got higher windows, and I'll show you how we do it same way. Hang on. Okay, so just scrub sidewards into the corners like that, and as I said, as you scrub, the dirt just gets washed away as you scrub it, so there's no need to actually rinse at all. So I suppose, well, that's about it. Just scrub that, turn the water off, and well, as I said, that's about it.